Good to see you, Ron.
You've aged horribly.
You son of a bitch.
It didn't take
Oh
long.
my God!
Not
What
a
is
good
your
idea.
problem? Nothing's changed, has it? Who set the bed on fire?
Excuse me,
huh?
sir.
I did, okay? Is that what you want to hear?
Please,
We're fine.
Okay,
We're fine.
I'm so
Please,
sorry.
fine.
Oh
Take
my
it
God.
easy.
When you meddle in
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Washington Police Department. At 10:30 a.m., a report of a Boeing C-17 Globemaster III aircraft flying towards the Washington area was reported. The aircraft is 20 miles off course and is about 2 minutes away from Washington, D.C. The original flight plan of this aircraft was supposed to be to Atlanta, Georgia, but is 20 miles off course and is heading to the Washington, D.C. downtown metropolitan area. There is no civil danger to public safety at this time, but proper precautions should be taken. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Washington Police Department. 4 minutes ago, a military aircraft had flown into Washington, D.C. and began shooting civilians near the reflecting pool with several machine guns attached to the body of its aircraft. This aircraft had also shot down 2 fighter jets. As of 10:07 a.m., the aircraft has been shot down. The aircraft had crashed into the Washington Monument where the Memorial Day Parade took place. Avoid the Washington Monument as a large fire and major damage has been reported. The President will be speaking on this station shortly. This message will repeat.